નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is natural disaster. And dear children, today we have done the revision part 2. Which one? Revision part 2. Now dear children, you know very well that in revision part 1 we have to learn about how many types of the natural disaster are there. Total two types of the natural disaster are there. One is the disaster taking place due to changes in the interior of the earth, and second one the disaster taking place due to the changes in the exterior of the earth. After we learn about the short note on the earthquake. Earthquake is such kind of the sudden shaking or trembling is known as a earthquake. And after we learn the volcanic eruption. Which one? Volcanic eruption. Now dear children, today we have to learn about or write a short note on tsunami. Which one dear children? Tsunami. Now when an earthquake or volcanic eruption take place at the base of the sea, high ocean waves are created. Now what happened, dear children? When an earthquake or volcanic eruption take place at the base of the sea, we remember the dear children at the sea. When the earthquake or volcanic eruption take place at the base of the sea, the high oceanic waves are created. And that's why what happened that high oceanic waves are created. These waves create a disaster that is called as a tsunami. And what happened that dear children? These waves, these oceanic waves create a disaster and it is called as a tsunami. The waves of the tsunami are very high and the longer. What happened that dear children? Here, whatever the waves are there, these waves of the tsunami are very high and the longer. They are almost 700 to 1600 kilometer longer. How much dear children? These waves are almost 700 to 1600 kilometer longer. Strong whirling winds create a big and the strong waves in the sea. What happened dear children? Here, strong whirling winds create the big and strong waves into the sea. Later, this wave turned into the high and lengthy waves, and they travel the thousands of kilometers from their origin points. What happened dear children? Here, these waves are traveling thousands of kilometers from their origin point. When such waves reach the seashore, they bring the loads of destruction on the coastal area. What happened dear children? Here, this wave reach in the seashore area and bring the loads of destruction on the coast, and therefore these waves are called as a destructive waves. And because of that, we can say that these waves are called as a destructive wave. They are the root cause of the tsunami, and these waves are the root cause of the tsunami. Such wave can also be generated due to rock falls, ice fall, and underwater landslide or slumps. What happened that there are the other reasons. Because of that, the waves can be also be generated due to the rock falls, ice fall, and underwater landslides. And the tsunami create the massive destruction of the life and the property into the coastal region. What happened that dear children? Here, you have to remember that the tsunami create the massive destruction of the life as well as the property into the coastal region. And the last tsunami happened on 11th March 2011 in Japan. It caused a terrible destruction. What happened dear children? Here, the last tsunami happened on 11th March 2011 in Japan, and this tsunami causes a terrible destruction. Next one dear children, question is that explain what is a drought. What the question is that explain what is a drought. when there is no rainfall or scanty rainfall continuously for 2 to 3 years, it is called as a drought. What is called as a drought, dear children? Remember that when there is no rainfall, what? When there is no rainfall or scanty rainfall. Scanty means little bit, low rainfall, very much. Scanty rainfall continuously for how many years? For 2 to 3 years. It is called as a drought. A drought is also called as a famine. What is the another name of the drought, dear children? Remember that a drought is also called as a famine, and this is the another name of the drought. Now, when drought take place, we know very well that there is a shortage of flood and the water in the ground water dries up. Now, which are the possibility of the famine can be reduced? Which are the possibility if we have to drought can be reduced? Then more trees are to be planted and the environment is not polluted further. These are the two reasons. Because of that, we can reduce drought or famine. Now, next one, dear children, they have given that write a short note on the cyclone. Which one, dear children? Write a short note on the cyclone. Winds blowing at the high speed, causing the heavy destruction, leave the cyclone. What is the cyclone, dear children? Winds blowing at the high speed. Remember, winds blowing at the high speed, causing a heavy destruction, lead to the cyclone. The other name of the cyclone are storm or whirlwind. What was the another name of the cyclone, dear children? Remember that the another name of the cyclone are storm or whirlwind. Cyclone occur more frequently in the coastal region. Dear children, you know very well that the cyclone occur more frequently in which region? Into the coastal region. Why? Because near the coastal region there is a high speed of the winds blowing and causing the heavy destruction. That's why we can say that the cyclone occur more frequently into the coastal region. Whenever the cyclone is occur, the nearby the region experience the velocity of the winds. These winds can be violated and cause a heavy destruction. What happened then, dear children? Due to the occurrence of the cyclone, these winds can get violated and cause the heavy destruction. However, the cyclone occurs only for a short time and in a limited area. Dear children, be remember and careful word. However, a cyclone occurs only for short time and in a limited area. Now, dear children, our next question is explain what is a forest fire. What is the next question, dear children? Explain what is a forest fire. Then a forest fire is caused due to the friction occurring among the tree. What is known as a forest fire, dear children? Be remember and careful that a forest fire is caused due to the friction occurring among the tree. It is known as a forest fire, and the forest fire causes a lot of the destruction to the forest property and the resources. Whenever the forest fire occurs, that time we can say that the load of the destruction to the forest property and the resources. So, dear children, what happened then? Here today we have to learn the importance. Question answer there. A short note on the tsunami. In the tsunami, you have to remember that when the earthquake or volcanic eruption takes place at the base of the sea and the high oceanic waves are to be created, and these waves create a disaster called as a tsunami. These waves are called as a tsunami. After, dear children, we learn about explain the what is a drought. Then there is a no rainfall or scanty rainfall continuously for how many years? For 2 to 3 years. It is called as a drought. And what is the another name of the drought? Dear children, another name of the drought is famine. You remember that. And last, we have to learn about the cyclone. Which one, dear children? Cyclone, it means winds blowing at the high speed cause the heavy destruction lead to the cyclone. And what is the another name of the cyclone, dear children? The other name of the cyclone are storm or whirlwinds. In last one, what is a forest fire? The forest fire is caused due to the friction occurring among the tree. It is known as a forest fire. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.